Welcome to Label Resizer. In this video, we'll give you a quick walkthrough on how to resize and enhance product labels using Marketplace PDF files. Once logged in, go to the product menu and select Resize from PDF. Then, choose a label design from the drop-down menu. This menu shows both Label Resizer's default template and the ones you created using the label editor. If you click the gear icon on the right, you'll open the settings page for Label Resizer's default product label template, where you can adjust label size and enable or disable various label features. Now download the original product labels PDF file from Amazon Seller Central. Please note that we are not using Label Resizer at this step. We're just downloading the original files generated by Amazon. You can download the original files in any printing format you prefer. Label Resizer can resize all of them. Next, upload your PDF file by dragging it into the dotted area or by clicking the same area to select a file from your computer. In the pop-up that appears, fill in the necessary details for features like free text, MSKU, or separator based on your preferences. Once you're ready, click the Resize Label button. Your labels will be resized and enriched according to your selections and automatically downloaded to your computer. You can also resize the product labels you downloaded from Walmart in the same way. Label Resizer, all-in-one solution for your labeling needs.